So first of all, we start by opening a terminal. In this case, we are doing this tutorial over a Linux machine. However, this is the same steps should be followed and it would work fine with Docker Desktop for Windows. So we start by typing docker pull IBM.com /data power. Now we're gonna pull this image from this repository, and this image is around 700 megabytes, something like that, so it would take some time depending on your own internet connection. So for now we're gonna skip this for now quickly. So now we have downloaded the full image. The image is now having the name IBM.com /datapower with the tag latest. So first step is now complete. For the second step, we shall start by running the container. So I have the command copied, just paste it now. The main important points are that we have a name for the container, the ports that we're gonna need, and also the acceptance of the license. So mainly we use 1990 for the web console, 5554 and 5550 for the REST and XML interfaces, and also we might need the others as well for SSL connections and SSH as well. So this is here the name, and we are ready to go. This process will take some time, but it's gonna show us the login screen in a moment. Yes, here we type in the username as admin and the password is admin as well. Now we go through configuration. So we type in the configuration command will be configure terminal, and then web management. Then we start enabling the admin state. Then we type the local address, Ethernet 0, IP version 4, number 1, with port 9090, the one that we have exposed. Then we set the idle timeout for our session to not always expire, so we make it disabled by 0. Then we do exit. So now we can say that the web management interface is on, and we can see it in the status, operational state up. So now if we close this one, this is our container, so we're not gonna close it, we'll just minimize it. Now we should open the Firefox. Here. Within Firefox we type in the address localhost with the port 9090, and of course we use HTTPS. Now we click on advanced, then add exception, confirm security exception. The username is the same, admin, and the password is also admin, so admin. This was gonna open directly on the web GUI. Oh, of course we have the other one, Blueprint Console, but version 10 comes shipped defaulted to web GUI. This loading step depends on your own the machine specs. However, this is my own virtual machine, so it doesn't have lots of power, so we're gonna wait a moment. Yes, so as we can see, there is a running configuration that has not been saved yet, so we wait till we open first the rest management interface, and we shall enable it, apply without saving, then click on XML management interface, enable it as well because we might need it for the configuration through XML. So apply. Now we can save. For saving, I prefer first to go to the control panel, but it's just my own thoughts. So control panel, then we can review the changes, but anyway we just go save configuration. At this moment we can see the whole thing happening inside the console, so we can just watch and check if any problem would occur. So now saved current config. Now we can see that from the web console as well, it shows that the configuration successfully saved. And to check again, we can just go rest management interface, and we would see that it should be enabled. So now we're done with the main configuration. Just need to check if our console is gonna be restarted. If we start this console machine or this device, if we start it, would it work the same or not? So let's see. We go docker exec command, -it, the name of my IDG1, and the command /bin/bash. Now we're inside with the same user from the docker file, which is drouter. We can go through the main directories. So for example, cd/opt IBM data power drouter and then config. This is one of the most important ones. If we list it, we shall find auto startup and auto user. So auto startup actually is the one that it's getting loaded every time, so we can use the cat command in order to check it. So cat auto startup config and pipe it to more. Going through it quickly, we can find out where our configuration, the new configuration are. Should be a little bit more. Yes, should be here. Yes, at rest management admin state enabled on our port, and also if we go a little bit higher, XML management is enabled on the other port. With this we can say that our machine is configured successfully, and now we can just exit, and thank you for watching this tutorial. See you next one. Goodbye.